Orang sa mga video.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Scoot Flight TR212 bound for Jakarta. We'll be boarding according to the zone number indicated on your boarding pass. Please have a passport and boarding pass ready for verification by ground staff and cabin crew. Thank you for flying with Scoot and wish you a pleasant flight. Your Scoot flight is now ready for boarding. We would like to invite passengers who are seated on row 1, seat number 1, and passengers who have purchased Board Me First to board now, or at your convenience. Passengers traveling with young children, infants, or elderly passengers, and passengers who require special assistance are also invited to board now. All other passengers, please remain seated. Please have a passport and boarding pass ready for verification by ground staff and cabin crew. I repeat again, this boarding announcement is for passengers who seated on row 1 and passengers who have purchased